In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Odoo, step by step. If you're unfamiliar with Odoo, it's a versatile suite of business applications that makes managing different aspects of your business operations a breeze. So let's get started. Firstly, begin by navigating to the Odoo homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of applications available, each catering to different business needs. For our purpose today, we need to focus on the Calendar app. Go ahead and click on the Calendar app icon. This will direct you to the interface where you can view and manage all your scheduled meetings and appointments. Once you are in the Calendar app, the next step is to create a new meeting. Look for the New button, which is usually prominently displayed to make it easy to initiate the process of creating a meeting. Give that button a click to move forward. Now you're at the point where you can start inputting details for your meeting. Type in the subject of the meeting. This is a straightforward yet vital step because the subject serves as a summary or headline that provides attendees with a clue about the meeting's agenda. After setting up the subject, it's time to specify when this meeting will take place. Proceed by selecting the start date. Setting a specific date helps ensure everyone knows when to be available. Once you've set the start date, move on to decide how long your meeting will last by selecting the duration. Clear communication about the expected duration helps participants manage their time efficiently. Next, consider whether this meeting is a one-off event or if it will occur regularly. If the latter is the case, you can make the meeting recurrent by ticking the recurrent box. This saves you the trouble of scheduling individual meetings repeatedly. As you fill out these fields, remember to include any necessary information related to the meeting. This may include details like the agenda, key discussion points, or materials that attendees need to review beforehand. Providing ample context ensures participants are well prepared and can contribute effectively. One of the neat features of Odoo is its autosave capability. You don't have to worry about losing your inputs. As you enter information, it automatically saves your progress. This keeps your data secure and frees you from constantly hitting the save button. And that's it. You now know how to create a meeting in Odoo step by step. By following these steps, you can ensure your meetings are organized, attendees are informed, and your schedule remains on track. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling process with Odoo.